Check that out. This filter's ready to go. We gotta clean the inside of that, and we have to also clean the burner department. This rust. You see how this unit is just rusting away at this point. So this is a flame sensor. As you can see, it's pretty, a little bit beat up, but it's still working. Just worried about all this rust here. Wow. So I'm cleaning the flame sensor out because these, if they're dirty, they won't work. The heater won't work. So we're getting rid of all that buildup that's up there. Nice and shiny. That's how it's got to be. All right, let's put it back in. We gotta clean this section out too. This is the economizer section. I gotta sand this guy out too. That's the sensor, and if it has too much buildup, it won't sense the outdoor temperature. That's how the economizer knows when to open these up. And we gotta clean between the blades, and we're gonna oil this up too right here so that they don't get stuck, these joints right here. Where's my oil? I'm gonna butter these up. Oil spouter. So I oiled up every moving part. Has oil. Even these, both of these, this part right here, this one up here, and that one there. All these three got oil. All of that got oil. Now we're just gonna wipe it down. We're spraying it with New Bright cleaner, which is awesome. So everything's cleaned off from here inside the economizer, and then I got the sensor all cleaned out. Now we're just gonna clean this guy out on the blower motor compartment. Oh, that rust. And then we gotta clean the pan. See, this pan has got a bunch of gunk. We'll clean it out. We are chemically washing the condenser unit. So you can see that chemical is making a real effect. See that? That cleanses the coil really, really good. Now, the pan is full, but for some reason the water isn't coming out. See that? It's full. So, let me see if I can cloud it. Oh wow, look at that. It's very cloudy. Look at that, the water's leaving. See that? Now it's leaving. Huh. That thing was clogged. Glad we came. All this came out of it. All that gunk. I don't know if you can see it. Cool. So we're also, that's the condenser coil, and this is the evaporator coil. So we're now going to do the chemical wash on this one. All right, so okay, yeah. Alright, so now that we rinsed it off, we're going to spray with Simple Green. Spray the inside, then we spin the wheel, and then we turn around, do the same thing to the other side. Of course, when I have a free hand, I can just spin it, do it non-stop. But you get the idea. Clean the sucker out. So I sprayed the inside with that cleaner, and this is the second time we rinse it out. And it's looking clean now. I just gotta wipe it in there. And I got this other guy rinsing out the evaporator coil. He already did the condenser coil while I'm cleaning out the blower motor. This compartment is cleaned out already, and all of this. As you can see, the drain is draining beautifully. Before I put it together, I'm going to clean out the P-trap, and I'm going to put some pressure in there to unclog anything that might be clogged, and then we should be good. I'm going to start wiping out of this, the inside of it. Just clean out the blades and the wires. These wires are here, we clean them out too. And the inside of the unit's cleaned. Evaporator coil, the filter has been changed out. Economizer's clean, the pan is clean. No more gunk in there. It's draining properly. The blower motor's back in there. We cleaned out that circuit board that we replaced a while ago. Before we put these doors back, we're gonna clean the interior. Okay, so you see all that gunk? All that gunk. So you get the idea. We're just gonna wipe it down. Rinse and repeat. So we got that door cleaned out. On this one, I already sprayed it with Simple Green. And then all we want to do is just clean it out. It's already disinfected. There you go. Once again, I'm just gonna rinse the rag out and repeat. Ready to put on another one? Yeah, I'm just gonna clean this one out. Give one last scrub. And we're good to go. Alright, let's put it in. So right about now we got the unit put together pretty much. Now we just gotta rinse the outside before we leave. The inside is set.